Oh, this is the last time I edited the photo. I think I prefer my current edit, actually.
Yeah, I do too.
It's like more like aged film.
Mm-hmm. I like little man over here.
He's bending over. He's looking for shells.
Let's see him up close. How many pixels?
He's just heaving. Also, something that like I haven't really done ever is enhancing details. But you can enhance detail. What the hell? Oh, it's a JPEG. So like this, I could enhance the details on this, and it will...
This is upsetting.
Get your act together. Oh my god, that's so close. Enhance. Sure, why not? Let's just get right in there. Woo. Yep.
Oh, look.
You can see my face. You can see my whole face.
New profile picture.
Jesus.
Wait, if you took this, cropped it, made it a new photo, and enhanced again, what would happen?
Don't.
Well, you could enhance the person heaving. Oh no, we can't. It's a JPEG.
So in Pixelmator, one of the new tools, ML Super Resolution. What did that do? Anything? Oh yeah.
You feel like it?
No, like okay.
It looks like your hand's drier now.
Look at this. Look at this line.
Yeah.
Look at how pixelated it is.
Yeah. Pixelmated, please.
Jesus Christ. Super Resolution.
Okay.
That legitimately did something.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Please. I need you to turn this, and I need you to warp it so you straighten your face back. Perfect.
Wait, is it better if I use this one?
Yeah,
it is. Perfect.
This is basically what happens when we are not live streaming.
Yeah, no, this is just our lives. Like, you can see my facial expression.
You
know what I feel in this exact moment. Okay, so now I'm going to crop, and then...
Okay.
It's too fabulous even for this to Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, man. It's beautiful.
So that's what we created today.